guys, welcome back to Dragon Motion. Today we will talk about the Xiami Smart Band 2. So about this Smart Band 2, on the top there are three features in this Smart Band which are very famous. Number one, it can test your heartbeat. Number two, it can give you a notification from your phone directly, and number three, footsteps. So to understand more about the smartwatch, I want to remove the middle of the smartwatch that can be removed from the middle. Like I want to remove it like this. When I press the upper end, so it will be moved out. Okay, now it had been moved out. So on the top here is the charging ports, and these are the sensors for the heartbeat, and on the front down there is a button. This is the display which has a large number of features. So after pressing the button on the first time, it will go you a time it will show you a time, and on second time it will show you heartbeat and other things like this. And you can see the lights are glowing because the heart rate is on, and the heart rate is very good. So if we talk about the charging time of the smartwatch, it is very nice. It gives about 20 days of continuous charging time, and can be charged from any thing like laptops. Any is in charge in 3 hours and give you 20 days, which is very great time. And the app is also available for this smartwatch, which is very useful, and you can set any like time etc. I got feature the app by upgrading the smartwatch like this. Look, when I shake my hand, it on. This is because I download the app and it upgraded the firmware of the smartwatch. So if we go towards the charging, so this is the smartwatch. This is a charging port. So we will put it in the charger like this, okay, and now it will start charging. So this was the whole part. So thank you for watching my video and subscribe to my channel.